Although Adobe is commonly used for editing, this course will focus on CapCut. Through these lessons, you will gain proficiency in CapCut, making it an ideal guide for mastering this software. Remember, the key to great content is not the software itself, but the skill of the editor using it. Let's dive into CapCut and unlock its full potential together. Let's jump straight into our home screen. When you load up CapCut, the first screen you'll see is the Welcome screen. Once you start creating videos, your projects will be saved automatically. You can toggle through different projects by clicking the grid icon, allowing you to view them in a grid or list structure. If CapCut is your main editing software, you might have multiple projects. To quickly find them, use the search button and type in your project name. If you encounter any issues with CapCut, the best way to contact support is by clicking the speech bubble icon in the top right corner for feedback. You can upload a video or your project to help with any problems you experience. Next to the speech bubble, you'll find the settings. Click on it to access 4 options: Project, Edit, Performance, and Language. In the project area, you can designate your save to location. You also have cache management here, which I've set to Don't Delete. You can manually delete cache later. If you don't understand cache yet, don't worry. We'll cover it later. In the Edit section, you can change the image duration, something I'll explain later. We also have frame rate and time code, which I'll leave at default. Performance settings aren't something to worry about now. Under Language, select your preferred language. Mine is English. With CapCut's interface completely blank, I'll click on New Project to get started. This is the interface we'll be using for the rest of our lessons. Let's quickly import a video. On the left-hand panel, click Import, select a project, and import it. If you do not have a project, I recommend you go on pixabay.com, where you can find a lot of content to practice your editing skills on. Once your project has been imported, you'll see the video in the Preview section, but it's not yet in the timeline. Drag the video to the timeline and release it. Now, you can drag the playhead across and view the video in the Preview section. This lesson is simple, getting us familiar with the Welcome screen. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the user interface and orientation of CapCut.